Oh my god, why is so expensive?
This question it's all the time asking by our customers. I'm living in the Bay Area. Why my stupid the paper, which is called with us the permit from the city, is cost me $1,500, and it's a real price. For example, you will see right now the prices right here, which is provided by the city. It's like a kind of average price. The most cheapest price, for example, in Mountain View, it cost us about like $50 to $120. Sunnyvale, it's provide like the same but more expensive prices for the permit, about $200-300 for the AC or like a furnace replacement. The next city in our rating, which is average, and we are mostly working in the San Jose, is cost like a AC installation with furnace replacement about $522. And Santa Clara, for example,
That's the champion of the prices.
it's the best champion of the prices. From like 800, and most expensive one we've got about 2500, I believe, which was absolutely sucked out all our profit from this installation. And we are talking about only in this video about the residential permits. We are not talking about the commercial. The commercials ones, it's just a different story, and you can just imagine by multiply by 10 the prices for the permit for the commercial buildings.
So you better ask your inspector to look carefully on your equipment, since you paid so much.
Yeah, so the idea is as well, what you are paying for. You are paying for the next. The city will take care about your changes in your house, what you've done with your house, what the equipment you replaced, like a water heater, air conditioner, furnace, whatever. So everything will be in the list by changes in your house. For example, if you are going to sell your house, the next owner of the house will check what you've done with the what the permits did you pull, and how did you take care about your house, because a lot of customers, or not you for sure, all the time can do unpermitted jobs. For example, if you need to do something cheaper, you can just do without permit, but that will be means this job didn't check by the inspector, and who knows, maybe you've done everything wrong way, and maybe your roof can fall one day to your kids. But it's a bad example, but anyway, it's example which could happen. And these building codes and mechanical codes and plumbing codes just written by blood, so you have to take care about it. And if you've done everything just without permit, you have to make sure what you read everything before you do something, for make sure it's done correctly.
Yes, that's right. And permit, when it's closed, you are sure that your installation is safe and up to code, which is most important here.
I will say some of the inspector don't care much regarding have done installation or something like that before they too much sure. For example, what the contractor done very good job in our example, for example. But in San Jose, I rather to pay San Jose inspection, because they do very detailed job and they are very picky. Well, I am love very picky inspectors, because they are doing their job very good. For example, in Santa Clara, some of the inspector don't spend more than 2 minutes for doing their job, but you are paying about like $800 or $1,500 for the permit. So need to think about it. But anyway, by the law, you're supposed to pull the permit all the time if you are doing any job more than $500. This is an idea.
I wouldn't mention something bad about inspectors in Santa Clara.
But it's the truth.
But
Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.